students, we have discussed the different properties of 15th group elements. Today we will discuss the different compound of nitrogen which are in our syllabus. In our syllabus we have nitrogen gas, ammonia and nitric acid. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is dinitrogen or nitrogen gas. How the nitrogen gas is prepared? Nitrogen gas is prepared in lab by the reaction of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite. It means in lab we prepare it with the help of ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite. By the thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate, we can also prepare the nitrogen gas. One very important question, how can you prepare the very pure nitrogen gas? Then the reaction is third one. This is on thermal decomposition of barium azide N3. This N3 represents azide. Barium azide on thermal decomposition gives very pure nitrogen gas. Now we will discuss the physical properties of nitrogen gas. It is colorless, odorless, tasteless and non-toxic gas. One more conceptual question, why it is inert at room temperature? Why nitrogen gas is inert at room temperature? If we see the structure, its structure is N triple bond N. This triple bond requires lots of bond association enthalpy to break this triple bond. That's why it is inert at room temperature and it is very unreactive gas. That's why in our atmosphere 78% nitrogen gas is present and it is inert. We live in an inert atmosphere. Okay students, now the next is ammonia. Ammonia NH3. It is prepared by Haber's process. Ammonia has pyramidal structure H with a one lone pair. 3 bond pairs are present with a lone pair. So student, in the preparation of ammonia, we require nitrogen gas with hydrogen gas. Here, high pressure is required. According to the Le Chatelier's principle, high pressure is required because for being the forward reaction, the high temperature favor it. The temperature is 773 Kelvin. That is required. The catalyst is iron with small amount of K2O and Al2O3 as promoter. What are promoter? In previous chapter we have studied that promoter enhance the activity of catalyst. Okay students, in this way by Haber process we prepare ammonia. Now the last that is nitric acid. Nitric acid is prepared by Ostwald process. In Ostwald process, ammonia is heated with oxygen to prepare NO gas. Nitric oxide, that is called nitric oxide, and on oxidation it gives us nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide when dissolved in water, we will get HNO3. Here the NO is recycled and the aqueous HNO3 can be concentrated by diluting it by 68%. We can get the 98% concentrate nitric acid. Nitric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent. Okay, why? Because here the oxidation state of nitrogen is +5 and it can only decrease its oxidation number. It means it can only be reduced, and as getting reduced, it is a oxidizing agent. In our syllabus, we have number of reaction of HNO3 with metals and non-metals, which will you learn from NCERT. Now we will start the group 16 member in our next video. Thank you, students.